you guys, it's Lexi here. Before we start this video, go down there and smash that like and hit the subscribe button. Okay, today what we're going to be doing is making slime with only 2 ingredients. You'll only need some glue, any kind of colored glue, and you'll need some toothpaste. Okay, you'll need a spoon, and you'll need a bowl. It's sand on the bottom. Okay, you need to get your spoon and your bowl. You need to get your toothpaste. Pour some toothpaste in it first. And then you need to pour some glue in there. And then you'll need to mix it up. You need to mix it up good for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's starting to look like slime. And you'll start to smell the toothpaste. It smells really good. Okay, you could check it and you could start to mix it with your hands. Make sure it's turning into slime. Sometimes you might have to add some more glue, which I'm going to have to do. I'm having red glitter glue. You're going to have to stir some more if you add some more glue. Make it stick. I have this bowl, that way I could have room for all the slime. You're going to have to scrape some of the sides and play with it some with your hands, which I don't think mine's good enough to play with your hands first. Okay. I'm going to get some in my hands right now and start playing with it to make sure it's sticking to my hands. So I'm probably going to have to play with it some. So you're going to have to mix it some with your hands. This is actual slime, like it's gonna stick to your hands. It's like what they make in a slime bath. That's the funnest thing to make ever. And if you want to, you would put it back in your bowl and start mixing again with your spoon. Which my hands are a mess, as you see. But it's gonna be fine. Okay, you're going to pick up your spoon, start mixing. Sorry. And there you go, slime. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, smash that like button and click subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.